Hi everyone! Today we are going to photograph in Manning Park, and the drive there was so beautiful. We had this thick fog near Vancouver and we saw the sun rising behind the mountains during a beautiful golden hour. And closer to the park, the trees were covered in frost, which created a magical scenery. Okay, so we arrived here at Manning Park and we are preparing our stuff because we're gonna do a trail. The snow is very crunchy, so I think I'm not gonna need snowshoes again. So just the ice cleats I think is gonna be enough. When we got there, I saw these ice crystals on the ground and I immediately thought about my macro lens that I forgot to bring. But they were too beautiful to be ignored, so I shot them with my wide-angle lens and cropped in post. I think it turned out pretty decent. This trail is so beautiful and there's no snow on the trees, but all the trees are frozen because like so cold. I had to wear my seal gloves because my hands were just freezing, but so beautiful, landscape so beautiful. This looks like a piece of jewelry. And then we realized we were on the wrong trail. The loop we wanted to do was actually on the other side of the road. I think this is a great spot to have lunch. let's go to finish this trail. This is so beautiful. Look at this. There's a river there and this like hill with lots of snow. So pretty. So that section was very pretty, very beautiful, and very steep, and a lot of trees are like falling into the trail, so we need to like jump over those trees, and you need to be very careful to not like roll out down the hill. And but so pretty, but unfortunately the sun has set behind the mountain, so it's a bit dark, but yeah, still pretty. Snow is very deep. Look at that.
I was just looking for the right pose.
Okay.
It wasn't an accident. It wasn't on purpose. Look at that.
It wasn't purpose. Helped with the composition.
It definitely helped. I was finding my composition, and then you placed me in the perfect spot. Look at that.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
Very hero pose. Now I need your hand.
Okay.
A second.
Okay, so we finished the trail, the road is there, and I think I'm gonna go have a look at Lightning Lake because we didn't see any birds. So our hope is that in Lightning Lake we can find some birds. I remember last time we came here, I think it was last year maybe, there were some birds in there. So yeah, let's go there and have a look while we still have a little bit of light. So we got here at Lightning Lake, and I think there are some chipmunks and I saw some birds. So yeah, let's hunt for them. There's a little bit of sun still, but I think pretty soon we'll set behind the mountain. And I just realized I forgot to bring the spare batteries of the Osmo, so I don't know if I will be able to record me shooting the birds. hopefully there's 7% of battery left in this camera, so let's hope that is enough. Okay, so how was your day?
Not too bad. It's a really nice trail. Really nice lunch in the riverbank, which was quite nice. And lots of views of the canyon, which is pretty cool too.
Yeah.
And in the day with some birds and chipmunks. It's not chipmunk, but some squirrel. Yeah.
Like a ground squirrel? Okay, so I got a little bit distracted by the squirrel. I got some shots of it, but I don't know if they are good. But yeah, so we're wrapping up here. We ended up our day here at Lightning Lake, and we found some birds and some chipmunks, and I think we got some good shots. But it was like very short time we stayed here, like just I don't know, 20 minutes maybe. So we need to come back here another time just to stay here at this area to photograph birds and squirrels and other animals. Yeah, so we're gonna hit the road and go back to Vancouver. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next one. Bye!